project, you know. Whoa, look at this stuff. Yes, I put it right next to
Wrong way to do
wrong way.
a lab.
This is so much fun. We're about to do a lab. Hoping Mr. Babe doesn't see us. Catch this, dude. Catch it. Catch it. What's in your goggles, man?
Hey, you guys aren't supposed to be eating.
Oh, too bad.
You need to put your aprons on too and wear your goggles.
The proper way to do a lab.
So like mix that.
Yeah, too.
Don't smell it. Just back away from it. Okay.
And
These are the steps to do right before you do lab. So first put your apron on. Okay. Tie it. Okay, and then you put your hair up. Because it's going to get on fire. Feel me? And you have to put your goggles on. Otherwise your face is going to get on fire. Okay. Keep a distance. Hold on. Oh my god, I suck. He's laughing at me. Oh!
oh my god,